The world is in a crisis. Climate change is real. The earth is getting hotter and the ocean is getting hotter. Day by day, week by week, year by year. The ocean temperature has gotten hotter than corals can tolerate. And many corals are starting to suffer and die in the heat. So what we have done is we've made a partnership with Plantation Island Resort to actually work on helping these corals to survive into the future. And what we're doing is we have right here beside the resort some extremely hot water. We have recorded 37 degrees right here by the wharf. We have corals that can survive in that temperature. We have super corals, corals that are some of the most adapted corals on the earth right here. But if we leave them here, they're gonna die because that 37 degrees was taken 4 years ago. And already it's getting closer to 38. And when it gets to 38, nothing will survive. So we are moving these corals out to cooler waters. And this is rescuing them and helping them. In the past, corals could move on their own because over generations they produce larvae which move. Larvae can move. But it's happening so fast now, they can't walk, they can't swim. We have to help them. So in partnership here with the resort, Corals for Conservation is actually helping corals to adapt to climate change by moving these super corals to a little bit cooler water out here on Nuku Reef, and they're thriving. Okay? We're also teaching the children about the project, and we need our corals that we're moving, they need a little base. So we're creating fish houses that we can put our corals right onto the fish house. The fish have a nice habitat. The corals are actually safer from crown of thorns because you can put those in the sand where the crown of thorns have a hard time finding them. So our super corals will be secure on their little fish house or in the nursery. And we've made Bula Nursery, which is the largest written word ever written under the sea. When I say Bula to you, I'm saying life. I'm wishing you good life. So Bula means life, life in the sea, life in our communities, life in our tourism industry. If the coral reefs die, our Bula will die. Our food will be gone. And we are working together. So Bula Reef is our biggest rescue nursery ever in history. We've gotten over close to 2,000 corals now in Bula Reef. And these corals have been taken from these hot waters and moved into water about 2 degrees cooler so they can survive into the future. So Bula to the earth. Bula shouting out, please, let's solve climate change. We are on the front line of impacts. This beach will be gone by the time my children are growing big. We have to solve climate change, sea level rise, coral reef death. Bula means life. We must keep this world alive.